Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to earn $3,000+ per month just to copy and paste photos. Right here on Google, right here, just to copy and paste and upload it. Alright, I'll show you guys what I mean. So for example, you could think of any celebrity, any actor, any one of your favorite movies from when you were a kid, anything. Alright, because what we're gonna do here, we're gonna take a younger photo of them, right? And we're gonna take, let's get rid of this, and we're gonna take an older photo of them. All right, I think you guys know what I'm going with this. So I'm gonna come over here and Canva. I'm gonna take my photos to Canva. All right, I already made one. All right, but I'll show you guys that after. So let me open this in another tab. Well, I'll show you how to use Canva to do this. All right, so you're gonna come over, you're gonna go on YouTube thumbnail because of the dimension. It's got a great dimension which you're gonna need to use when you're uploading these. All right, so you're gonna click on upload, and then it's gonna show you photos and stuff. You can just click on upload and go straight to your desktop. All right, so that you can upload the photos. So let me show you what the end result should look like. It should look something similar to this, feel me? What I did, I removed the background of each just to avoid a little copyright. You can always remove background easily. You could just go to a free background remover online and get rid of the backgrounds and put in your own little background. I put before and after. You could put then and now. You don't gotta be doing the before and after like me, but you can do then and now. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this image, we're gonna go to a video editor. You can download UCut on your phone, or you can download it on your computer. All right, so it's pretty easy, it's user friendly, it's free, no watermark. That's the greatest part, you got no watermark and it's free. All right, so after you upload your photos to UCut in order to make the video, you're gonna come over on your YouTube page. All right, and then you're gonna come down here on the left here, you're gonna click audio library. And when you go to audio library, the reason why you're gonna use these music right here is because it's royalty free, so there is no copyright on all these. All right, that's why you have YouTube audio library. It's a great feature. All right, so let me show you what we're gonna do. So let me show you a channel that is performing really well and is making a lot of money out there. They're called Tap Raccoon. All right, so as you can see, they only have 84 videos and they have 27 million views, which is ridiculous all time. All right, their entire channel, and they have 38 subscribers. That's ridiculous. All right, so let me show you what I mean by you can upload photos and make passive income. All right, so let's go on one of their videos. As you can see, it says 70s music stars then and now, right? As you can see, he uploaded this 1 year ago, 1.6 million views. And if I click on this, hopefully there's no ad right now. And if I click on this, I could show you what they do. All they do is, as you can see, before, after. Let's see if they have any more. Before, after, as you can see, 70s music star, before and after, Eddie Van Halen. Alright, plus they play a little music in the background. As you can hear, this is why you're gonna need the audio library, that way you don't get hit with a copyright claim, because you're gonna go to Canva, you're gonna edit your photos like this or similar to this. Then you go to a video editing app or website for free and edit those photos into a video format, and you're gonna download music from YouTube library, right? And then all you gotta do is put that together and then you just upload it on YouTube. So let me show you how much this guy is making off these videos. So I'll go over here on Social Blade, and as you can see, his monthly earnings is the most at $3,000, right? Per month. right? And this guy haven't uploaded in an entire year. All right, so as you can see, he makes weekly average about over $600, and in his last 30 days he made 3,000. I remember this is passive income for this guy, all right, because he hasn't uploaded in an entire year, so he's continuously making $3,000 per month. All right, I hope you guys let that soak in. $3,000 per month. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do for you guys, I'm gonna leave a link to Canva in the description, so you can click on that and you can start doing this. All right, don't waste any time, start doing this. All right, guys, this is a great way to make some passive income. And if you're not monetized as yet, what you can do, you can just go and get some affiliate links. You can go on Amazon affiliate, sign up, get some affiliate links, put in your description, and advise people during your videos. You can put up some little text saying click the link down below, and you can get some serious money doing this. And this is easy work, and everything is free. So you're starting with $0 and you can make $3,000 per month. By the way, if you want to know how to optimize this idea to the fullest, check out my TubeBuddy video over here, or you can just click the TubeBuddy link in the description section. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, and if you did, leave a like, comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe for more videos like this, how to make some money online or any other way. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.